തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്.
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാ ചൊല്ല്.
Hi, so finally today we are going for the celebration of Onam and we are all set to go. वहाँ पे जाके अभी बहुत काम है, कुकिंग थोड़ा सा पेंडिंग है. So let's see हम क्या करते हैं वहाँ जाके, क्या होता है. But we are good to go. See you there. Stay tuned.
മലരോണ പാട്ട്.
Hi everyone! So these three ladies and I helped them little bit in the Kerala food. So let's see आज सबको कैसा लगता है. We all are the first. This is for me for the first time I prepared the Kerala food. These three they also prepared for the first time. So YouTube Zindabad. So now all the other people are being tested for the food. Let's see how it goes. But be positive, stay positive. Happy Onam! Happy Onam! Happy Onam!
വിളമ്പുന്ന രുചികളിൽ വിടരുന്നു നിറവയറൂണിന്റെ സന്തോഷം. പൂങ്കോടി തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
We are going to cherish the prosperous, wealthy period of Kerala.
Oh, that's nice.
മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ
മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാൽ ചൊല്ല്.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
മലരോണ പാട്ട്.
You need to be loud.
This is Kerala special papadam.
Kerala special papadam.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Sharkara variety. This is nothing but jaggery and banana.
Jaggery and banana.
This is dried chili.
Dried chili.
This is banana chips.
Banana
salt
chips,
if you
salt.
want to add. This is lime pickle and mango pickle.
Lime pickle, mango
This
pickle.
is mango chutney.
Mango chutney.
This is pulyanji, which is ginger pickle.
Ginger pickle we made, I know.
This is cabbage thoran.
Cabbage.
This is olan.
Olan. This one is olan.
Yeah, this one, the white and the green.
Okay, and this
This is kutu curry.
kutu curry.
Erisheri.
Eri sherry.
Erisheri.
Pineapple curry. Pachari.
Pulisheri.
Puli sherry.
Avial.
Avial.
Beetroot pachadi.
Beetroot pachadi. And
This is this is palada payasam.
this is one kind of paisam.
This is paripu payasam.
This is again paisam.
Yeah, this is made of dal.
This is made of moong dal and this is made of
This is palada. This is made of rice, basically.
rice. Okay, and this is
Just water.
water. Okay, I think
We forgot the banana.
we have banana also.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So you're having the sandhya for the first time?
First time.
Oh, how did you like it?
I'm too full for that.
Too full? Oh, okay. We are glad. So they have taken the printout, and the moment the dish is ready, so they'll
Strike it out.
strike it out.
It's lovely.
Like I was really impressed with the efforts they have put in.
പൂക്കൂട നിറയ്ക്കുവാൻ പുലർമഞ്ഞിൻ കടവത്ത് പുന്നാരക്കാറ്റിന്റെ സഞ്ചാരം
ഇലയിട്ടു വിളമ്പുന്ന രുചി
So may I know what are you eating, Ramya? Okay, so this goes in the mouth. Yeah, so I think it's yummy. It's tasty.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
Hi, so I am back. So we are done with the Onam festival today. We had a delicious delicacies all together, and everyone really liked it, enjoyed. So this is our host and host Dost, and we are all together in the food. So she's Ramya, she's Navina, I am Purvi. Oh, that's nobody, and one more candidate, Grishma. So we all four had a good time together making the Sandhya curry. Hi Navina.
Hi.
So she's our host for today. So she will tell us the planning, execution, how it all happened and how everyone got involved and enjoyed the delicacy today. Please go ahead.
It was a fine evening. I'm sleeping. That time I got a message from Grishma, and she messaged me that what's your plan for Onam celebration.
Oh, so we have Grishma here. Hi.
Then yeah, I told her that maybe we can celebrate together. This is first time for me and others also. Then she mentioned there are some other Malayali families also that we can invite, and then we can have a big group and celebrate Onam. So that's how the idea came up.
Okay. So I think my kiddo is the naughtiest one. He is enjoying the last part of the Onam.
Then I made one Google document. Then I shared it.
And we had added I added some recipes.
Then one day my Babi. Okay na? She messaged me that one more Malayali girl is there, and her name is Ramya.
So I think Ramya also joined the gang.
Yes, I was feeling very bad because I landed in Mumbai and I didn't know whether we'd be able to celebrate Onam. So luckily we found the right person at the right time, the right family. Had a very lovely time. It was fun cooking together, first of all purchasing vegetables together. We rushed that day. I thought we couldn't make it, but it all went well. Our efforts went well.
Yeah, I remember me being the driver. So that's how I was able to help. But it was really fun this time, and so I am the interviewer. So I really had a good time. Me being a North Indian, enjoying the delicacies of Kerala cuisine, which is called Onam Sandhya curry. So I got a chance to prepare that, to eat that and enjoy it. So the delicacies are really tough, but they're all protein source, great protein source. A lot of dals and coconut are used in the food. So I guess that is the most important thing. And I've tried to make videos of few of the recipes that that I'll show you in the other videos for sure. I hope we have made it correct videos for that. So let's see how it goes. So signing off for today. for the past 3 days, this vlog is on. So we'll do the editing and we'll get back to you soon. And hopefully you guys will like the Onam vlog. But yeah, we really had a good time. And my baby also had a good time. Say hi! Say hi!
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ
മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാൽ ചൊല്ല്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
പലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
Hi, this is our day 2 of the preparation for Onam festival, and today we are again into the vegetable chopping, but we have prepared many of the items today. I don't know the names of it. I think Avial is getting ready. And what else we have prepared today? Kut curry and pineapple pachdi. So this we have prepared till now, and try to capture many things what we do today.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ
एक सब्जी जो है वो बन गया है. हमने इसको ठंडा कर लिया. Now we are putting into the another container.
പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ പലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
This is when our ladies are tired. They relax on the walk. So these two ladies are working since.
വരവായാ ചൊല്ല് തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
What are we making today?
Cabbage toran.
Cabbage
Toran.
toran.
ആകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
പലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
Hi, we are back. Now we have to make another dish which is called boli. Boli के लिए क्या बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, we have no idea. So we're trying to learn. Yay! And this is my little one. Hi, Ivan. Say hi. Good evening. Master Chef in progress. What are you doing, may I know, Grishma?
This is for tadka for the paripar. For the dal.
Okay. Hey, Navina, what's up?
Hi.
So, what's going on?
I'm making pulisheri.
I don't know the name, but I like the dish. I have tasted 2 of their recipes and it was amazing.
പൂങ്കോടി കസവിട്ട് ഊഞ്ഞാലിൽ
Great. And what are you making? Girish Mama.
This is actually a cow piece.
What?
Yeah.
Cow piece?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, name is really weird. What
Yeah,
is that?
cow piece. So I'm actually cooking that for Olan.
Okay. Okay.
Olan is
So I guess बहुत जोर शोरों से तैयारी चल रही है. हाँ? You can also say. Oh, now something.
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസാകെ
क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? So what are you making, Remya?
We are going to make boli.
Boli out of it. So first step is we are dry roasting the chana dal, right?
We are roasting the chana dal.
Okay.
Prawn, we soak it in water for almost 20 minutes.
Okay.
Then after that, we will cook it in pressure cooker.
Okay.
For
And then we'll make a paste out of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
പാട്ട്
Puran Poli or Boli's filling.
Actually, we were making the filling. We have to make it a dough shape, but इसमें लगता है थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा डल गया. So we have to cook it more. I think she is helping us. She is really a hard worker. वो सांभर भी बना रही है, वो पूरन पोली भी बना रही है. उससे सुबह मॉर्निंग में पता नहीं क्या क्या बनाया है. I don't know the names also. Maybe you can tell what all you make.
We made LCV, we made puttu curry, beetroot pachadi. We are preparing for sambar now. We made olan, we made kalan.
कोई ना कोई.
Paisam also, we made hari paisam. Tomorrow we are making palada and parup payasam. I'm sweating from all the heat.
And she's here since morning 9 a.m. and it's almost 12 hours duty for her. So very hard working girl. So I really appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
It's like that. I have also prepared it here.
All of us, it's a teamwork. All of
But she has done a bit more. I appreciate that. So signing off. We'll come back soon.
കടക്കണ്ണിൽ മഷിമിന്നും മുറപ്പെണ്ണിൻ കവിളത്ത് കുറുമ്പിന്റെ കുളിരുമ്മ സമ്മാനം പൂക്കൂട നിറയ്ക്കുവാൻ പുലർമഞ്ഞിൻ കടവത്ത് പുന്നാര കാറ്റിന്റെ സഞ്ചാരം
ഇലയിട്ടു വിളമ്പുന്ന രുചികളിൽ വിടരുന്നു നിറവയറൂണിന്റെ
Hello guys! Hi! So we are preparing sambar, Kerala style sambar. Sorry, that was Ramya. So now see what are they cooking. I'll try to show you. Something or the other is going on.
We are roasting the coconut with coriander seeds and red chilies for the sambar. This will be grinded. We like the paste. We added to the sambar powder. Yeah. Original Kerala authentic taste. And we are starting from scratch here. Okay.
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട് മാവിൻ കൊമ്പേറുന്നൊരു പൂവാലിക്കുയിലേ
മാവേലി തമ്പ്രാന്റെ വരവായാൽ ചൊല്ല്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ്
മനസ്സാകെ നിലാവ്
മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ
പലരോണപ്പാട്ട്
തിരുവാവണിരാവ് മനസ്സാകെ നിലാവ് മലയാള ചുണ്ടിൽ മലരോണ പാട്ട്
തിരുവാ